But the problem with both of those things is that they're lacking element of motivation and looking at what is going to motivate users to do the things that we want them to do. And then the reason this is part of a strategic framework is because we don't want to just motivate users to feel good about themselves. Of course, it's nice, but we want to motivate them to do the things that we want them to do that are going to actually help our company make money. So those are things both in the product. We want them to use certain features, but it's also going to be things like word of mouth marketing. And if you add elements of that into anything that you're building, and you could be building anything, like I've never seen so many emojis associated with payment, right? So you can apply these kinds of techniques anywhere. And at the end of the day, what you're doing is you're giving people like a sense of community, and you're tapping into those emotional elements. And that's what creates proprietary